Ending up with our motto that learning is a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process. Yeah, happy learning today.
Hello students, today we are going to see the topic Settled Life and Urban Civilization of EVS2 subject. Okay children, the first topic is about use of metals. Now you may have wondered which metal was used first. We find many prehistoric artifacts and objects. Now they have mentioned over here that which metal was used. Gold was the first metal used by the human. But why what happened later on, then we go to see in this next topic. A scholar named Christian Thompson classified into groups. Now one scholar named Christian Thompson, he classified the groups into three groups: stone tools, copper tools and iron tools. Now why he described that in three groups, there's some reason over there. Let's see in the next slide. Now pots made on the potter's wheel. Okay, in the first stage he noticed that during the copper age people started making symmetrical and colorful pots with beautiful designs on them, and during this age the copper age began with the making of tools and articles from the copper metal, and during this age there were many new invention and rapid changes. Okay, as I told you, the brain was really developing, and so the changes also started in a rapid changes. Rapid changes means fast, and new invention means new thing they started inventioning, discovering. The invention of the wheel was the most important, and the wheel was first used in pottery and carriage. Now, as we have done in the previous topic also children, the wheel was the first invention done by this human being, and then because of wheel only we have seen that potters started making in proper shape the pot, okay, and in faster way. In previous also they were making, but not in such a fast rapid motion, but when they found the invention of wheel, they started making in proper shape and in faster way. Okay, now next, children, as we have seen in the previous slide, because of wheel, there were wheel invention was there, and because of that only trade and transport also increased. Okay, craftsmen lived in the industrial area of the village, and all the craftsmen who are like potter, blacksmith, or all these they started staying in a proper order. Like before, all is to do only agriculture work, but then they started distributing themselves between craftsmen, artisan and farmer. Using the wheel in the pottery led to the creation of large pots. As the scale of the production increased, trade was expanded with it, as they found a lot of pots in they are making. But then what they'll do with so many pots? They wanted to go and give it to other places. Now to go in other places, they wanted some transport. Okay, they can use animals, but how long? So slowly they started making cart, bullock cart, horse cart, and so on. It was in this period that wheel vehicles like carts and chariots were first brought into use. So this way they started new introduction of bullock cart, horse cart, chariots and so on. Okay, rise of cities and scripts. Children, the topic tells us rise of cities as the trade and transport started. So one place to another, even that started flourishing more. Like small villages started becoming like a small city, and then they needed expanding trade necessities, record keeping by means of symbol and signs. This led to the emergence of script means something they are writing and keeping as a for longer time. Or like example, if I am going to the shop and somebody is giving me a receipt or whatever I buy, that is called an script, or you can written, something given in written. Long distance trade, rapid transport of goods and centers of large scale production are factors that brought together people engaged in different types of work. And then rapid transport, like example, all the new invention was there, so transport also was faster and rapid, and because of that large scale production also started of pot and all other artisans and agriculture work, pulses and crops and all, and everybody started engaged in different type of work also. And signs and symbol, as I mentioned, children, one type of sign, they will, suppose I am give and take relationship they started, but they started writing on something like a piece of paper. Then in those days there was not piece of paper, but they used to write on the leaf or giving, or slowly they started doing invention of that also. And this way they started keeping records of everything by using signs, symbols and so on. Now the next one, social organization in the ancient cities. Now everything was there in the cities. They wanted to worship their god or nature, whatever they believe in. So the culture of those cities had its root in the culture of village settlement of the New Stone Age. They started making grand temples were built in many cities. There they started making temple of any god whichever they were praising or they wanted. And the social life and festivals based on agriculture faith system became more elaborate in the cities that had prospered because of the rise in trade. Now each and every thing whatever they feel happy, they started celebrating like a festival. So in temple they used to celebrate that festival there also. In this way the temple became the most important thing in their daily life. And this way social organization started in the ancient cities. So students, this was a small lesson of settled life and urban civilization. We have seen how it had been, okay, and keep learning something new. Thank you.